Today we have an unboxing video again. What's up, guys? Back. And here we go with the unboxing video. Let's do this. Alright, let's see this on here. It's just kind of a large box for this. Alright. Oh, Christmas time every day. How you guys doing? All right. Yeah, put to the side. Close this shit before I get hurt. Oh. Okay, got to it. I don't know if you can see that. It's Gucci, man. Curious about that. This is my first ever thing about Gucci. As you can see, it's not really my style, but everyone keeps saying, just do it, man. Do it, man. It's the lifestyle. Alright. Wow. This is a really nice bag. Oh my god. This is a really nice bag. Look at this bag. Feel that? It's like silk. I can't really be silk, but it's nice. They got two of them. I will never use those, maybe. Get a little more. How are you guys doing today? How's it going? With a radio frequency RFID tag in order to guarantee this item's authenticity. The manufacturer may have equipped this item with a radio frequency identification tag in order to guarantee this item's authenticity through the distribution channels and prevent counterfeiting. This RFID tag only contains information relating to the production and distribution flows. The manufacturer does not use this RFID to collect personal data relating to customers, nor does it associate this RFID tag with such. If you deem the function unnecessary, you can deactivate the RFID tag at any Gucci store. What the freak is going on? That's fucking crazy, man. The RFID passive tag operates at a frequency of 13.56 megahertz and 856 megahertz to 960 megahertz. Is that bad, you people? Look at this thing I'm reading here. It has I don't even know if you can read this thing backwards. I've never read it. I wouldn't even have read this. Do my other shoes have RFID tag on it? Or is that just a Gucci thing? Yeah, I'm definitely going to the Gucci store to turn that off. I'm gonna write a note about that. That's pretty intense. Gucci. Turn off RFID frequency. I guess I have a cell phone. The cell phone operates at a frequency, but I don't know. That's weird. But that's kind of cool, but weird. Let's read some more. Is there anything else in here? This footwear has been realized in part using natural materials of animal origin. Sorry, vegans. We therefore advise against excessively aggressive cleaning, such as washing in a washing machine or using stain removers, which may cause premature wear and loss of color. Gucci shall not be held liable for any potential consequences of the footwear arising from failure to follow the guidelines above. The Gucci team are happy to answer any questions you may have. All right, cool. RFID, strange, but cool. I'm reading all this now. Shit, before my foot explodes. Gucci products are manufactured by experienced Italian artisans with carefully selected materials of the highest quality. Gucci guarantees both internally and along its supply chain that internationally recognizes standards of social and environmental responsibility are respected, consistent with the company's own commitment to the ethical and sustainable management of its operations. Every item made from this leather has been created purely according to traditional principles. so as to enhance the natural characteristics of the leather. This material in particular is created by applying a genuine metallic foil onto the leather. The foil is initially attached to a sheet of paper and through a process of hot pressing is then transferred onto the leather. Purchasing a product manufactured with this leather means that owning an item of pure luxury, one which is both prestigious and unique, of course. We would like to stress that the leather has no... Hold on. I feel like I'm not Gucci anymore, guys. You know? If I'm going to be reading something like this, we got to step up my game here, you know? Reading it on live. But, let's continue. I just feel like I should be a little bit more bougie if I'm reading something like this. Sorry. Where was I? Would like to stress leather has no special protection and has not undergone any treatment using synthetic products. Non-synthetic, guys. It is therefore far more delicate than other leathers. The use of this metallic film renders the article particularly delicate. The foil has a low resistance to abrasions and scratches, okay, and is therefore susceptible to wear and damage, even due to slight rubbing, which cannot be corrected. It's okay. We recommend cleaning the product periodically using dry, clean cloths, as any small dust deposits either on the item or on the cloth could cause wear and scratches. Do not use products which contain solvents or alcohol. It is recommended that the product be stored in a special flannel away from sources of light and heat. It is also important to protect it from humidity, which may compromise the bonding of the foil in the leather. The Gucci team are always happy to answer your questions you may have. Any questions? And it's in many other languages, so if your stuff starts falling apart, you've been forewarned. It's cool. I'm not going to be changing. Let's get into it, guys. What's Gucci? All right. So, cool. Here we go. That's how it is. It's in plastic. Oh, nice. Yeah. Just how I saw it, but they didn't have my size. I like the bottom part the most. It's got the night, you know, feel like, hold up, you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So that's the footprint I'll leave in the snow. Put it up close, got the night. I'm sure you guys, if you guys are watching this, you know what Gucci is though. Here we go. There we go. Reese, the basic shoe, you know. Gucci. I guess this is the deal here. And another foot. Same thing. So yeah. Yeah. Let's do a smell test here. Smells nice, but still not better than the Bally's. The Bally's have a specific, I think it's capped. Does the Bally's shoes from, I can't keep saying Bally's, but let's not talk about that. But these smell nice though. They smell nice. They look really, really nice. These guys have got style. Oh wow, I like that look. So right here. So right here, it kind of is rough on this. It's kind of rough on this side, and then it gets smooth right there. Right there, it gets smooth. See that? It's kind of a cool design. I don't know if you can make that out. And inside, it, like the leather, feels like it's suspended. Like the sole is a really nice leather. Oh yeah, the back of this one. I like this foot, the purple. But yeah, man, just a pair of shoes unboxing, the Gucci's. So now, I got the Gucci deal. Am I nerdy? I think they're cool. All right, you guys have any questions on the Gucci shoes? Ask me in the comment section below. And you guys have a lovely weekend. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.